Hello, Pottle Posse. All right, so I start off by prepping my nail, giving it a little buff, taking the shine off, adding my nail form. I like to open my Pottle because I like to scoop the plasma gel out. Yes, it's full of glitter. I'm sure you can see that. But I start by just painting a nice little base coat. I like to have that part be thin around the cuticle. And then the part where it's like your nail meets the nail form, I like to pile up, you see right there, right there. I like to add more gel there just for the very first go around because we need the strength for as long as the nail is going to be. We need that strength there. Then we go ahead and give it a tap. 30 seconds should be fine. Pottle lamps are pretty strong. And then we close that. Keep going. We add another layer. Now it's definitely time to build up the apex. So as you can see, I'm scooping my plasma gel out of the pot from the Pottle. And we just keep going right there. Yes, yes, yes. Now the best part about this is, look at that, you can put so many fingers in the light. Okay, so now it's time. Let's just to take this nail form off because it's driving me crazy. All right, look at that. It's pretty good. We shape it up a little bit more, wipe it off, and add another coat of plasma gel. Oops, I'm off camera. Hello. And now it's definitely time to really work on that apex. I love the curve of a nail. So I like to start towards the middle because I know that it's going to fan out by itself because it's a self-leveling gel. Now, since the Pottle lamp opens completely, that is the best part about this whole thing. I was wondering because sometimes you're like, ugh, how can I cure this upside down? Boom, the Pottle lamp opens completely and you can cure it upside down. Boom, kacha, boom. All right, so now it's time to reshape. Keep going, look at that, it looks great. All right, so now it's time to, I wanted to do something crazy, so I got out this cuticle oil and I put it on the nail. I was like, let's play nail chemist today. And so I put the oil all over the nail, and then I pulled out some luster top coat. I got just the wayward brush, just a brush that I have sitting around, and because I didn't want to get the oil in my regular top coat, and I just painted the nail because I just wanted it to get a little texture. The bubbles, that's what I need. I need the bubbles. Look at that. And then we're gonna hit that for 30 seconds. All right. How do we see the bubbles? It's best that we go ahead and throw on, some chrome powder. Chrome powder. Okay. I feel like I like it. I like it. I like it. Do you like it? It's interesting. I love it. Let's do something else. All right. Let's see here. Let's add a little, okay. All right. Oh. Just add, I think I would call these little raindrops. I just be doing stuff. I'm like, what can I do? Impromptu nail art. I like it. It's interesting. I have my bubbles and I have my little raindrops. Oh, wait, I'm getting jazzy. Okay, well, that's cool. Well, what else can we do? Because I wasn't really feeling all of the dark part of the nail. So let's go in and get even jazzier. All right. Get it, Natty. All right, so I guess we're getting jazzy with the nail art. I love line nail art. It just really makes me relaxed. And it definitely didn't go this fast. Anyway, so after we're done with that, because I just love it, and I like to go through, and I was really trying to figure out what I was actually, I don't know, trying to do. But sometimes when you get into nail art, you just kind of get into it. Obviously, I've spilled all these marbles, these little balls. Caviar all over my desk. So here we go. And so I was thinking, since underneath the chrome part, it's already textured, add a top coat, and you're pretty much done. I mean, you see the texturing from the oil underneath. I guess now they look like leaves. And yeah, I kind of really like this. What do you think? Thanks for watching.